you. I'm Dr. Madhuri Bhosle. I'm your digital teacher and currently I'm working at Jilla Parishad Primary School Ekru, and now in this virtual platform I'm working with you. मुलांनो, युआन शॉन्ग हा एक चिनी पंडित जेव्हा चायनामधून इंडियामध्ये येत होता, याच्या प्रवासाला जर्नी टू द वेस्ट असं नाव दिलं गेलं. आणि जेव्हा तो चायनामधून इंडियामध्ये येत होता, ॲट दॅट टाईम it was not too easy to travel and he was coming for the pilgrimage. Do you know the word pilgrimage? Means he was coming to India for religious purpose. He wanted to take the Buddhist some scripts to China, so he was traveled from China to India, and in this journey he traveled still 17 years of traveling, and this was the very difficult task. He traveled via China, Uzbekistan, Pakistan to India, and in this lesson all his troubles, all his grace are recorded in this story. So let us watch this video. Standard 7, Subject English, Unit 1, Journey to the West. Hello dear students, how are you? Came out of the fear of the COVID-19? Oh, stay home, stay safe. Do you know this COVID-19 virus came from which country? You are right. It came from China to India. Yes, the travel or the journey of this COVID-19 is also a journey from China to India, that is journey to the west. So friends, today we are going to learn a topic, Standard 7, Unit 1, Journey to the West. Friends, this novel Journey to the West is the classic of Chinese literature. In this novel, there is a story of a man named Yuan Chong who travels from China to India for the pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means for the religious purpose. But those days, traveling from China to India was not an easy task. People had to face a lot of difficulties in this journey. They had to travel across the Gobi Desert, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Pakistan to India. या सर्व प्रवासावर खूप साऱ्या कथा, कादंबऱ्या, दंतकथा लिहिल्या गेल्या आणि ह्या सर्व कथांमध्ये असं चित्रित करण्यात आलं की हा प्रवास हा खूपच कठीण होता आणि हा कठीण प्रवास त्यांच्या त्या कॅरेक्टरमध्ये असलेल्या काही सुपरनॅचरल पॉवरमुळंच सहजासहजी शक्य झाला. आणि म्हणूनच जर्नी टू द वेस्ट ही जी कथा आहे ती समहाऊ सुपरनॅचरल पॉवर्समुळं या युआन चॉंगचा प्रवास हा 17 वर्षामध्ये मॅजिकली पूर्ण झाला, असा थोडक्यात या कथेचा सारांश आहे. मुलांनो, खूप खूप आवडली ना ही कथा तुम्हाला? हे इट्स अ टाइम टू एक्सरसाइज. इफ you were to undertake Yuan Chong's journey today, how will you travel? Describe using Google Map which modes of transport you will use. म्हणजेच जर तुम्ही युआन चॉंगनी अवलंबलेल्या मार्गावरून जर प्रवास करायचा ठरवला तर तुम्ही तो प्रवास कसा कराल हे गुगल मॅपच्या सहाय्याने वर्णन करा. आणि यासाठी तुम्ही कुठल्या
मीन्स ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन म्हणजे चा वापर करणार हे सांगा. तसेच युएन चॉंगला मदत करणाऱ्या 3 मॅजिक कॅरेक्टरची नावं सांगा. बाय बाय.
You have observed all these events of his traveling in this video, and I think you have enjoyed this video.